Hello, my friends. Welcome to Slow English Podcast. Here we learn English step by step. Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy this moment. Today we talk about something simple but strong: how to use English in your daily life. I will share with you 10 valuable tips to practice English every day. Step by step, you will speak with confidence. Tip number 1: listen every day. Listen while exercising. Listen before sleep. Even short minutes are enough. Sammy, a driver, listened to radio news in English during traffic. After 6 months, he understood news without translation. Tip number 2: speak short sentences. Say hello in English. Say, I like this. Say, I want water. Even short minutes are enough. May started with 3 phrases every night. After 1 year, she spoke with tourists confidently. Tip number 3: keep a mini diary. Every night, write 3 lines. Example: I met my friend. I ate pasta. I learned a new word. Omar wrote 3 notes before bed. After months, he had a notebook full of English. Tip number 4: shadow and repeat. Pause after each line. Repeat the same words and rhythm. It's like chanting with the language. Your mouth remembers the steps. Tip number 5: use English for fun. Watch a cartoon. Read a comic strip. Play a simple game in English. When you enjoy, you remember better. Tip number 6: connect English with your environment. Look at your desk. Say the objects: pen, notebook, lamp, bottle. Look at the street. Say what you see: bus, car, tree, shop. Amina used sticky notes at home. She learned many words just by looking daily. Tip number 7: learn with others. Find a study partner. Friend to practice with. Say 1 sentence together every day, or send each other short voice messages in English. Learning together removes fear. Tip number 8: be patient. English is like a garden. No flowers on the first day, but with water it grows. One day you will say, I can speak English now. Tip number 9: celebrate small progress. Celebrate when you write a text. Celebrate when you finish a podcast. Small celebrations create motivation. Tip number 10: believe in your journey. Many learners think, I can't do it. That is not true. English is for everyone. If you say 1 phrase today, you will say more tomorrow. Let's review together. Listen every day. Speak short sentences. Keep a mini diary. Shadow and repeat. Use English for fun. Connect English to your word. Learn with others. Be patient. Celebrate small progress. Believe in your journey. Remember, English is not about giant steps. It's about daily small actions. Say one word today. Say a phrase tomorrow. Listen for minutes the next day. Small habits bring big change. Thank you for listening to Slow English Podcast. Keep practicing, keep smiling. See you next time.